What's up? I heard that you lost a job.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, take it as a lesson. You're such a troublemaker.
It's alright. My company needs me more than I needed them. And in fact, it's easy for me to find another job. I got a friend who's going to help me.
Oh, okay, good luck.
Miss Naong,
Yes, sir.
have you already compiled all the CV for the job interview tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Good. I would like to recommend someone on a managerial position. I hope you don't mind.
I guess I have no problem with that, sir.
Here is Nino Mabilangan, a good friend of mine. So, thank you.
Sorry, I'm late.
So you, Mr. Mabilangan, you're late. The job interview was over a couple of hours ago.
Sorry, I hit traffic.
Anyway, let's start. Tell me something about yourself.
Well, as you can see, I'm a good-looking guy who used to be a project manager of IT company at Makati. Take note, Makati. I graduated my college at University of Makati, BS Computer Science, and took up my master's and doctorate degree at University of the Philippines just several years ago. Little did you know that I'm supposed to be a summa cum laude because I'm the smartest in the whole damn university. I think someone was against it, so it didn't work out. Blah 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 blah. And that's something about myself.
So, why did you resign your work?
There's a big problem in the company and its employees. Maybe that place is totally messed up. I give my time, my effort, and my whole life to make my career effective and productive. But some of my coworkers are jealous for what I have already attained. Hello? Wait, I have a call. Hello? How are you? Ah, okay. Oh, really? Ah, wait. I'm in the middle of the interview. So you can you can call me later. Okay? Bye-bye.
I guess I will not take much of your time because you're so busy.
Sorry about that.
It's alright. We will call you after I evaluate your documents and certificates.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So, how's Nino?
His credentials are exceptional, but he got some attitude. He's not the right person for that position.
Don't you worry about it. As long as he will work well, there's nothing to be worried. Besides, he's one of the best employees in his previous company.
Hello. Good afternoon. This is Christina Hong from FAS International. Is this Mr. Nino Mabilangan? We are glad to inform you that you are hired as a project manager. You can start on Monday at 8 a.m.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mr. De Leon. Mr. De Leon, according to your resume, you have 10 years work experience in an IT industry. Why did you resign from your job?
I resigned from my job because I am interested in a new challenge and an opportunity to use my skills and experience in a different capacity that I have in the past.
What were your responsibilities?
As a project manager, I am responsible for the overall direction, coordination, implementation, execution, control, and completion of a specific project, ensuring consistency with the company's strategy, commitments, and goals. I believe that to be a part of this firm will give me more opportunities for advancement as I wanted to further my career.
What major challenges and problems did you face? How did you handle them?
When the software development of our new product stalled, I coordinated the team, which managed to get the schedule back on track. We were able to successfully troubleshoot the issues and solve the problems within a very short period of time.
What did you like or dislike about your previous job?
I enjoy the people I work with. It was a friendly and fun atmosphere, and I actually enjoyed going into work each morning. I felt the leadership was great as well. They knew all of their employees on a first-name basis and tried to make those personal connections. I also enjoyed the fact that the office tried to do community outreach with local organizations. But one of the reasons I left is that I felt I was not challenged enough at the job. I felt I was not able to reach my full potential because of lack of challenge and there was no room for advancement in the company. While I did enjoy working there and appreciate the skills I developed while with the company, I feel my skills can be better utilized elsewhere, where my capabilities are more recognized and there is the opportunity for growth.
What is your greatest strength?
My time management skills are excellent and I am organized, efficient, and I take pride in excelling at my work.
What about your weaknesses?
I would say that I can be too much of a perfectionist in my work. Sometimes, I spend more time than necessary on tasks personally that could be easily delegated to someone else. Although I never miss a deadline, it is still an effort for me to know when to move on to the next task and to be confident when assigning others work.
Okay, Mr. De Leon, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. This is Raquel, FES International. Is this Mr. Francis De Leon? We're glad to inform you that you are hired as project manager. Please report on Monday at 8 a.m. Thank you.